Hi, it's me, Pam and E, and I haven't been on here a long time, but I have a Grabie unboxing. So I want to do that. Yeah, I've just been busy with summer and different things. My oldest son and family are flying in from Oregon tomorrow. And I've been doing a lot of selling on Marketplace because we have to downsize our place here in Michigan, and I had a dollhouse I sold and then all the tiny little miniatures that I grouped together. So I've been selling those quite good. Sometimes I'll have 3 different people come in a day. So I've been just really busy with that, people coming to pick up stuff and selling other items too. So that's time consuming, but I'm glad things are getting out the door. I sold all my Christmas Department 56 houses and basically just downsizing. So that's kept me busy, and then just fun summer things here in Michigan, although Michigan has had a little rough with the heat advisory and then now the air advisory with the Canadian fires. The smoke comes, into Michigan, and then also we're hit pretty hard with that produce issue. So, but anyway, that's what's been going on. So, but I'm hoping, after my son leaves, and I'm going to be doing some cookbook binder journals. So I will start again in about a week or so. But in the meantime, let's look at this awesome Grabie box. And this one is called the Apothecary Entomology cabinet. And you're going to get stickers and a mini specimen chest kit and cabinet burnt edge paper pack, lace ephemera paper pack, watercolors, specimen paper pack. Look at all those cool bottles. And I will have a discount code in the description box. So I had just opened this up. And let's see what we got. There's always great things in here. We've got with each one subscription box, you get a magnet. Well, that's cool with a bottle, elixir. A little magnet. Ooh, look how pretty these are. They're like a thicker, called Woodland Wayside and Woodland Blossoms. And let's open them up. Well, that's a really pretty. Oh, I like owls. I'll move it on down. Got a little glare here. Oh, I love the owls and the mushrooms and butterflies. I love all this type of these type of images, and birds, of course. Little vintage violets in a basket. Oh, this is very pretty. Look at all the mushrooms and butterflies. This is beautiful. Oh yeah, I love it. I want to do a woodland type journal too after I do my cookbook journals. This is really pretty. Kind of a vintage flower look. Very pretty. And I believe the discount code is PAM15, I believe. That's really nice. Beautiful. And they're thicker. Oh, that's very pretty. This is one of my favorite kits so far from Grabie. I love it. Wow, so much. Look at all that. Very pretty. And what do we have here? We have some washi. Sorry, it's crinkly. I don't know if I have to actually take it out of the package. I think we can see, or is it too glary? Hold on, I'm going to take it out of the package. Okay, I took some things, took papers off or wrapping off. So here are the washies. Pretty, got birds and lavender and insects, butterflies. So very like neutral, but very pretty. A couple thin ones. Very pretty, very kind of neutral. We've got some watercolors this autumn, so you can make swatches here. Ooh, pretty. Very pretty colors. Berry, cinnamon brown, citrine, Maya blue, ginger pecan, pine, burgundy, moss green, black wood, and indigo. Oh, there they are. Pretty. Okay, then we have some more things. You get so much. Here's a vintage bottle sticker pack. I kind of opened it up a little bit so it'll be easier to show you. I'll have to grapple with it. Look at those stickers. All different bottles. Really pretty. Lots to work with here. And we've got beautiful butterfly stickers. So many. What can I put them in? So they're not everywhere. I'll put them in here. Ooh, look at that. Very pretty. Let's see if I move this. Just loads of them, and they're very pretty. About every type you can think of in a beetle. 2 beetles. I like them. And the next thing we have, it's in a little really pretty bag with a lace, so you could reuse that. And look how pretty these are with the little cutout edges. A bit of a lavender look. Very pretty. Look at that edge. Love those. And the next one. So you get 2 of each. So it's almost like, you know, a stamped look. Vintage look with a little lavender shade to it. So 2 of each. They're really pretty. Lots of those. What a beautiful journal this would make. And here's more papers that are more neutral. Look at the edge. So they look kind of coffee dyed. Tons. Well, that is inspiring. All of this kit is very inspiring. Look how pretty these things would be together. Yeah, lots of these. Be pretty to collage with. Then we have a little doily, and look at these, really pretty. I love that color. It's like a teal, but it looks blue. It's like a greenish teal. Looks more blue on camera. Really pretty, like gauzy look. Sparkly and textured. Very pretty. And then we have, there's a lot in here. This thing is full. Look at it all. This is the Specimen Chest Do-It-Yourself Mini Kit. Oh. Okay, so what do we do here? Oh, look at. So you get little gems or stones. You've got these glass bottles. Let's see if I can. Look at the little books. I had little books in my dollhouse. And what they say. Little tiny books. More little stones. What are we making here? You've got your score tape. You have, let's see what we have. Let's open this. Oh, look at. Okay, you make a little box of something. So you've got a thicker box, or two thick board light. So you're making a specimen chest. So look at the little miniature, it looks like little books that you can make. Tiny little tags. Look at the little envelopes. And postcards. Like little newspapers. The Botanist. Oh, and here's the, it's like a wood. That might be sandpaper. And then it's labeled. And then in here, well, we have, oh, these are like watercolor pens, I believe. You put water in, and then you would use your watercolors to mix the paint and apply it. Okay. And then you've got tiny little like screws. You've got your glue, little tweezers, and a little tiny screwdriver. And look at the, I think that's a glue applicator. You've got little like hinges or to shut the little beaker or two. So, how fun is that? So little So you would open it up like that. And then, I wish I could enlarge that more, but you'd have your bottles here, your little scene here, your books. Isn't that cool? So you'd get, yeah, your glue, like wood sheets, yeah, tweezers, metal parts, paper, twine, brush, decorative things. So that is really fun. Look how fun this is. There's all your specimen jars. You can put your rocks in the jars. Here's another beaker. Wow, so fun, fun, fun. Love it. So that is the awesome Apothecary and Entomology cabinet. So I will put the link to this awesome kit from Grabie, and I hope you enjoy it, the video, and if so, if you would like it, or if you haven't already, subscribe, and I appreciate it, and I hope you have a great day. See you next time. Bye.